Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is going to be how I turned $20 into $20,000 in wholesaling real estate. So the first thing that I did was I utilized a lead generation program, and that is Propstream. Propstream is a very good tool to find both buyers and sellers, to find different areas depending on what I wanted to focus on. For example, if I want to focus on the state of Washington, I can look up Washington and go and look for homes that may be available. I can look them up by pre-foreclosures, probates, different types of equity, all types of different things. So it's a very good, useful tool. The second thing that I did was spent money on a yard sign that I put out in a key area. I purchased stamps and envelopes, and this allowed me to inquire on whether or not a person wanted to actually sell their property. Once I located a seller, then I entered into an agreement to sell. Once I entered into that agreement to sell, I sent it out to my list of buyers. And once I found a buyer, I signed it over to that buyer. If you have any questions, please feel to drop them down in the comments. If you found the information in this video useful, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.